herders. What is the identity, as far as you know, as the #1 citizen of the state? What do you know about this narrative?
Let's have the narrative very correct. We know Nigerians by our own ethnicities. We know we can identify a Fulani man, a Yoruba man, a Hausa man, and all that. We know them. And then with the regular traditional herders, we know them walking with cows, just herders, and then with some stick and at most the machetes. That is not the case. These folks are coming in fully armed with AK-47s, AK-49. They don't bear the Nigerian looks, and they don't speak what we speak. Their Hausa, it's one sort of Hausa. It's not the normal Hausa we Nigerians speak. So it is with the Fulani they speak. There is a trend of language they speak. And there are some of our people who understand what they speak, and they give it names. They say they are Malians and different form of people, but they are not Nigerians, believe it.
That was the governor of Benue State, Reverend Father Herdsmen, telling us the identity of the herdsmen terrorizing his state. He said that they are from Mali, that they are speaking a different language. Even though there was some confusion in what he was saying here, he said their Hausa is a sort of Hausa. It's not the normal Hausa. I don't know what he meant by that. I don't know what people will interpret. Say their Hausa is one sort of Hausa. It's not the normal Hausa that we Nigerians speak. I don't know the Hausas that we Nigerians speak. And at the same breath, he said that they speak Fulani, their own trend of Fulani. Those who have heard them say that they are from Mali. That is Malian Fulani or Malian they speak, you know. But the thing is that he admitted that it was not the Nigerian herders that were doing it, that the people who are doing it, who are terrorizing Benue State, that they are not the normal, they are not Nigerians, that they are from Mali. That was it.